So today we're going to be learning how to solve systems of linear equations using a couple different techniques. But first, let's talk about what prior knowledge we need in order to proceed with figuring out new knowledge. So there's a couple different things. So we need to know how to solve an equation and find a solution. And verify that. And also we need to know how to graph lines. So these are things that we assume that you already know. So we're going to proceed by a new definition of what a system is. So a system of equations simply means that it's a set or collection of more than one equation. Typically they're related to one another in some way. So first off, let's talk about by starting with a simple example, and we'll see two equations here. Y equals 3x plus 2 and y equals negative x minus 6. So starting with our graphing, these will be graphed on the same plot graph. So if we have 3x plus 2, it's going to give us a line pretty close to this. And if we have negative x minus 6, it's going to give us a line close to this. So then we see that these two lines intersect at the point -2 and -4. And if you remember, all this is saying is that finding a solution to the system of equations is going to mean that we're finding a point that satisfies both lines. So this will be the intersection. So we have the points x equals -2 and y equals -4. So this is going to be our solution to both equations. So to verify this, we can plug in -4 in for y and -2 in for x, and simplify to make sure that we get the correct answer. And sure enough, -4 equals -4. But we're not done there, because since we have two equations, we have to verify it with the other one as well. So taking our other equation, y equals -x minus 6, we can plug in -4 for y and -2 in for x. Being careful because we already have a -x, so we have to make sure that our -2 gets distributed with the -x. So we get -4 equals +2 minus 6, which we end up getting -4 equals -4. So sure enough, this means that -2 for x and -4 for y is a solution to both of these equations. Next, we will move on to learning how to do this by substitution.